Assalamu alaikum viewers. Let's talk about tartar on the teeth, dental plaque and a very useful remedy, a mouthwash which you can make at home. After using this mouthwash, this tartar will be reduced and on regular use it will be gone forever. Bacteria living in the mouth make biofilms around them to protect us from our immune system and the antibiotics we eat. You can say that they make small calcium houses to live in. In these houses, in these biofilms, these bacteria live safely. This is their survival mechanism. And because of these calcium houses, our immune system cannot detect them and they can live for a long time. Not only in our body, but 95% of the bacteria outside also make biofilms. If you go to a river and pick up a stone lying there, it is slimy, slips from the hand. The reason for this is the presence of biofilms on this stone. You will find biofilms everywhere, especially where there is water like in your saliva. They need water and sugar for nourishment. Due to the overabundance of these biofilms, if they are too much, you will smell it from your mouth. There will be the smell of tartar. Blood starts coming out of the tartar. There is too much plaque in the teeth. You have to go to the dentist and remove it. But if you use this easy mouthwash, which you can make at home regularly, then you can easily manage it. The first ingredient on the list is baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. When these biofilms enter the mouth, the bacteria living in them start producing a lot of acid. We reduce the pH of your mouth, and a low pH level, especially 3.5 to 5.5 pH, causes decalcifications. Calciums come out of the bones and teeth and enters the system and body. Then these bacteria use this calcium for their housing. Calcium deficiency occurs in the teeth, and due to this deficiency, cavities occur in the teeth. So it is very important to keep the pH level neutral in the mouth. Eating too much sugar and being disturbed by blood sugar levels also causes acidity in the body. It becomes more acidic because you are giving them the favorite food of these bacteria, which is sugar. You are creating an environment for them to live, and as a result, they start producing more acid. Baking soda increases the pH, makes it alkaline, breaks down the colonies of these bacteria, and naturally your saliva has sodium bicarbonate. It can be said that its use has almost no side effect. So take 1/4 of a teaspoon or half to half a teaspoon of baking soda. And another thing you need in 3% hydrogen peroxide. This is the brown solution that you will get from any pharmacy. Again, it eliminates these bacterial biofilms. It is antifungal, especially it eliminates Candida yeast. The interesting thing is that hydrogen peroxide is also naturally found in your saliva. Your cells use this major compound to kill bacteria. So here we are talking about adding those things in a little more quantity to the body, which is already making your body. It also has 1/4 of a teaspoon half to half a teaspoon and 1/4 of a teaspoon baking soda. Mix these two in half a cup of water. And after brushing it with normal toothpaste every day, use it as a mouthwash. Let it stay in your mouth for 30 seconds and spit it out. This will prevent from forming on your teeth. The shine of the teeth will come back. The teeth will look normal. The problem of bad breath will be solved. Recently, a research on vitamin K2 came out, which is a little mixed up. There is a very deep relationship between vitamin K2 and tartar forming on the teeth. That is vitamin K2, which works where vitamin D3 prevents decalcification, keeps calcium in your teeth and bones, moves calcium from soft tissues and send it to the bones, not let it enter the system. These bacteria are not able to use this calcium to make their housing. Subscribe so that more videos can reach you. Apart from this, if you eat chewing gum to avoid bad breath, then try to find xylitol chewing gum. You will get it with difficulty. You will get expensive as anti-biofilm properties. It prevents bacteria from sticking to the teeth. Or you can use clove if you get oregano oil, rosemary oil. These are my recommendations to avoid dental plaque. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.